Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that helps you visualize where the big players are likely placing their orders in the market. This indicator shows buy-side and sell-side liquidity pools in a clear, easy-to-read way on the right side of your chart. It splits volume into two mirrored profiles, one for potential buying interest and one for selling, and highlights key areas like the point of control, where the most volume has accumulated. These zones often act as magnets for price, leading to reactions, reversals, or fakeouts. Whether you're trading Forex, stocks, crypto, or futures, understanding these liquidity maps can give you a real edge in spotting high-probability setups. Add the indicator log into TradingView and open your chart. Click the Indicators button at the top. Search for Liquidity Pro Map by Chart Prime. Select it to add to your chart. It will display mirrored volume profiles on the right side, green for buy-side liquidity below price, red for sell-side above. Key features: dual liquidity profiles. The chart is divided into buy-side green and sell-side red liquidity profiles, letting you instantly compare both sides of order flow. Level extension logic. Each liquidity level is extended back in time until price crosses it. If not crossed, it persists all the way to the indicator's look-back period, marking zones that remain untapped. Dynamic binning with standard deviation. The indicator distributes candle volumes into bins using close price deviation, creating a more realistic liquidity map than static price levels. Cumulative volume skew lines. Polylines on the right-hand side show the aggregated buy and sell volume profiles, making it easy to spot imbalance. POC identification. Highest volume levels on both sides are marked as POC, point of control, providing key zones of interest. Clear color coding. Gradient shading intensifies with volume concentration. Dark teal/green for buy zones, dark pink/red for sell zones. How to use? This tool simulates liquidity by binning volume into price levels using close deviation, extending lines backward until price crosses them. Untouched zones remain highlighted as resting liquidity. Watch the cumulative skew lines on the right. Upward skew shows buy dominance, absorption of sells, downward for sells. The point of control, POC, marks the highest volume bin per side, often a magnet for reactions or fakeouts. For buy conditions, look for price approaching an untouched buy-side liquidity zone, green profile, during an uptrend or after a sell-side sweep. Price dips below lows to grab stops, then reverses. Confirm with heavy buy skew or POC nearby. Enter long when price rejects the zone, perhaps after a wick into it, or aligns with support like order blocks. Place stop below the zone for protection. Take profit. Target the next sell-side liquidity level, red profile, or opposing POC as price gravitates there. Partial out at intermediate untouched bins or when skew flips. If price sweeps, buy liquidity and reclaims, trail stops to break even, and aim for the extended profile's high volume areas. That's it. This simple yet powerful liquidity map gives you a clear visual edge by showing exactly where resting orders and stop hunts and potential reversals are most likely to happen. Use the green zones for long entries and protection, the red zones for take profit targets and short setups, and always watch how price reacts around untouched levels and the POCS. Combine it with your existing strategy, keep your risk tight, and you'll start seeing the market in a whole new way.